how to make money on Upwork as a logo designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the get started button to create our account. And here choose to join as a client, as a freelancer. Looking for work, click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then click on create my account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account. So I'm just going to log in. Here, write your email, continue with the email. Type the code or the password, click on login. And here we will proceed to setting up our profile. So here, this is the last step of setting up the profile. So let's start from the first steps. Let's go back. And this is the first step. So here, click on get started to proceed to setting up your profile. And here you answer these questions. For me, I'm just going to skip them for later to save time. Same with this as well. And here, make sure to check all of these boxes. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can just upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file. And if you have none of those two, you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's proceed to start a new profile. So here, type your professional role. For me, it's a logo designer. And here, click on next, add your experience. So you can click on the plus button to add your experience. Let's skip that for now. Same with education as well. You can add your education in here. Then you proceed to add in the languages that you speak. So English is a must. So you need just to choose your proficiency in English. For me, it's conversational. And here you can add as many languages as you can speak. I'm going just to add one more, which is Arabic, native, and you click on next to add your skills. So here let's go with logo and logo design. The maximum skills are 15. Then next to write an overview or to write your bio. So here now write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of a bio. You can just go to ChatGPT, for example, like this. And here, just type ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. And here, type email logo designer. I'm a logo designer. I'm a logo designer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile. Like that. And they will give you a good bio, but for me there is something wrong. So I'm going to try later. And then so I'm just going to copy Marty's bio, sorry Marty. Then we proceed to choosing the services that we are offering, branding and logo design, and that's it. Then click on next to set your rate or your price. So let's go with $5 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo. So here you fill this information, and for the photo, make sure to upload a photo of your face, a professional photo, to show clients the best version of yourself, and it must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. And when you're done with this information, click on review your profile, and after your profile gets approved, this is what you're going to do in order to improve your profile to get more clients. So just do as I'm going to show you. I'm going to go back to the main page just to show you. So here, go to the search box in here, type logo designer to see all of our competitors, the people that we have to compete with. So those are the people that we have to compete with, as you can see. So what I want you to do is just to spy on these people, see how much they offer, for how much they are getting paid for their service, how is their bio. For this one, for example, what are they doing right and we're doing it wrong, and try to take some things from their profile and apply it to your profile. For example, like the price, the bio, make some adjustments to your profile in order to get a lot of clients. And in order to find work, you will need just to go to find work in here, click on the find work for your skills, which is in the middle, and here come to the search box and type your specialty or your skill. For example, logo designer, and here you will have a lot of listed jobs, as you can see. Posted 4 hours ago, posted 4 hours ago, intermediate, $5, fixed price $15. So you can apply for the job that you see fits you, and you can see if you will get accepted. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.